Almost Home is a collection of work by Ho Suh that explores the nature and meaning of home. Ho Suh was born in Korea in 1962. Almost Home includes drawings, small-scale fabric sculptures that depict objects and appliances, and a sequence of large-scale immersive sculptures that represent different places that he's lived throughout his life. The hallway in his apartment in New York is pink. The hallway from his apartment in Berlin, where he lived in 2002, is green. And the corridor from his childhood home in Seoul is blue. And that is a new work that will be seen for the first time in this exhibition. All of Ho Suh's work is handmade and hand-stitched. The craftsmanship is the result of years of training with Korean artisans. As much as the details are tangible, they're made out of this very sheer material, so they're almost dissolving in front of your eyes. And I always think of them as kind of like the experience of waking up and trying to capture a dream. I'm Sarah Newman, the James Dickey Curator of Contemporary Art at the Smithsonian American Art Museum, and I'm the curator of Ho Suh, Almost Home. This exhibition is a good fit for the American Art Museum because it takes a broad view of national identity and encourages us to think about American life as made up of many different experiences and many layers. Ho Suh's work reminds us that individual places really matter, and that as global as the modern world is, it's still anchored by tradition and culture.